This is the first question for our revision. So we have to simplify this expression 5 upon 8 x raised to power 3 by 2 divided by 1 over 2 x raised to power minus 5 by 2. So for this, you may take this approach. First of all, write in proper form in which you understand easily. So it should be written as 5 upon 8 x raised to power 3 over 2 and whole divided by. See, this is your main division. And you have to write 1 over 2 x raised to power minus 5 by 2. Is it okay? Are you getting this pattern of writing? Whatever you have to divide, you should write it in the denominator. Is it okay?
Okay.
Now, how you will handle this constant part? It means 5 upon 8 divided by 1 over 2. So I think you know this. The denominator of the denominator goes in numerator. You know this or not?
Yes.
So it should be simplified as 5 into 2 upon 1 into 8. This is for your constant part. Now, how you will manage your x part, or we can say the variable part? So
You
do
wanna
you know?
make it. You don't wanna make it negative, right? So like you like
No, no,
flip it.
see, no, why? See, why? See, you know this rule, law of exponent. If you have the same base, if you have the same base and numbers are in the division, like x raised to power n divided by x raised to power n. Do you know what's the rules should be for
You
x?
like subtract it.
Yes, so rules should be x raised to power m minus n, right? So why not we should apply this rule directly? See, you have the same base x and they are in the division. So why not we should apply this rule? So we should write x raised to power, see the numerator power first, that is the 3 by 2, minus the denominator power, that is the minus of 5 by 2. Are you getting this? So you can simplify this one also. So 2 and 8 can be simplified as 4. So we are getting 5 over 4, and this is x raised to power 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2. Are you getting this? Yeah, tell me, are you getting this till here?
Yes. Yes.
So it should be 5 over 4
It's fine.
into an x raised to power. Now they are the already like fraction. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 divided by 2, 4. So it should be 5 upon 4 into x raised to power 4. So my final answer should be 5 over 4 into x raised to power 4. Any doubt?
No, just let me write the thing down. Okay.
Let us see the next one. We have already done this thing, right? Yeah, this is the same
Yeah.
question. This is the same question. The first one, simplify. You have this expression. Please try this one. Is it okay for your examination? This type of
Well,
question.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. We will gradually increase the level. Okay.
E4 over 60 over 4 over 4. Wait, I just have one general question. Wait, does the denominator also get multiplied with the power?
Why not? Obviously, see, you have this bracket, this combined bracket, right? And you have the whole power. So yes, obviously it should be p raised to power 4 and then power 0.75. And in denominator also, you should have 16 raised to power 0.75. It is the power on both numerator as well as on the denominator. Any other doubt?
No.
So you don't have to use your calculator. Don't use your calculator.
No. How do you like? Wait, you multiply the powers.
Okay, please see.
Add.
Please see. So what we can do? We can simplify this in many ways. The first way, which is clicking on in my mind,
So
see,
0.75 I wrote as 3/4. So when you
correct,
multiply,
correct,
you
correct.
add the
So
powers.
see, yeah, see, p raised to power 4, and the denominator can be written as 2 raised to power 4 also, right? And then you have written it as 3 upon 4. So now first I will write this. I will apply a rule. Do you know this rule? If you have x raised to power m upon y raised to power m, what it should be? Do you know? If you have the same power, not the same base, if you have the same power, not the same base, so what's the rule of exponent? Do you know? If you have the same power only, not the same base.
Like you like div you divide it and put the
Yeah,
whole power
base,
outside.
yes. So base should be divided and the power should be the common. See here, you have the same power, 4 and 4, but the base is different, no problem. So you will write P upon 2 raised to power 4 and then the whole power 3 is to 4. Is it okay till here?
Okay.
Now, one more rule we have. Suppose we have x raised to power m and then whole power n. So what's the rule? If you
The
have
power
power raised to, sorry, the
it
power gets
multiplies. It
multiplied. So see, you know these things, so it's okay. Why we should revise it again before question? So 4 and 4 can be cancelled out. So what you will get? You will get p over 2 raised to power 3, which can be simplified very easily as p raised to power 3 upon 8. That's your answer. Are you getting this?
okay. Let me,
Please write.
yeah, just 1 second.
Completed? And
Please, just 1 second.
you should write the law of exponent as well.
I'm writing all everything. Yeah, I wrote everything.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm done. You can.
Now, let us try the next one. I hope you can answer this. It is 3 square q raised to power minus 3 divided by 2 raised to power 3 and q raised to power minus 2. Please tell me the final answer.
Okay. So, is it like 9/8 q to the power of -1
Wait, right? 9 over 8. You are saying 9 over 8 q raised to power.
-1?
Let me check. Correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Let us take the other question. Okay, try this one. These are the easy one for your reference first, for your warm up first.
So 2 to the
It
power of
is 2 raised to
8.
power 8 into 8 squared into 4 raised to power minus 2 That should be written in terms of 2 raised to power n. We have to write the value of n, or we can write in this
Okay,
form
I
directly.
think I'll give this a go. Okay. Wait, when you multiply, the powers add, right?
Yes, obviously.
Okay.
When your base is same, please take
Yeah,
care.
I know that. 8, so okay, so 2 to the power of 10, so n is equal to 10.
Okay, check. Correct. Absolutely correct. So now you are okay. Oh, sorry. This one. Find
Uh,
n in terms of x. Question is
just give
readable or should I write?
9, 4, 3. No, it's readable.
Okay.
Find n
In
in
terms of x.
x. So isn't it just x plus 8?
Yeah, that's correct. Now let us take some good questions. Use a calculator to work out the exact value of this. So what's the new thing? I think you can calculate this using a calculator.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you just have to type in.
Okay.
I can do this.
Now this one. Find the value of n in the following equation. The first one.
2 power, wait. Oh, I should remember this.
We have already discussed how to solve the exponential things, exponential equation.
So how do you do this fast? Is I forgot how to do this fast. I'm just like,
You have to remember, you should remember some basic or some fundamental values in terms of two's power. It is a very important number. You know, this
this is 2
102.
to the power of 10 or what?
Yes, obviously. This is a very important one. How? Because in the digital domain, in the digital science, in the digital counting, the kilo is prefer or kilo is indicating 1024, not 1000. It is 1024 because this is 2 raised to power 10. This is related to your computer science. I'm not discussing that thing. This is a very important number. You should know this. 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. So n value should be equals to 10 directly, right? Now, please see this one. This is a good question. Very good question.
Yeah, this is easy because you can just write 4 2n minus 3 is equal to 4 to power 2. So 2n minus 3 is equal to 2. So 2n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 over 2.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Now, please see these questions and you have to decide would you like to solve it now or you want to skip it now.
I'll try to solve it.
I think you can solve it easily, right?
No, I'll try because I'm not sure.
Okay, please see the A and B bit.
Bracket. So 1/2 81 and 10 to the power 51. Is it 4 over 9 x to the power of 8?
4 over 9 into x raised to power 8. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. I think you can
Yeah,
solve it. Next,
okay.
you can solve it. Let me decide now which question you will do. This one you should do. Most probably you will struggle in this
A
question.
times 10 to the power of 7 plus B times 10 to the power of 6 is equal to find C in terms of A and B. Okay. Answer in simplest form. 7 times 6. Like, yes. So, okay. Uh, C is A times 10 to the power of 1 plus B is equal to C.
Sorry, please repeat. C is equals to
A times 10 to the power of 1 plus B is equal to C.
you want to say
10
this
to
one?
the power. Yeah,
10A
like this.
plus B.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Yeah, that's correct. So see, this is used when you have to add two large numbers or
I did
two,
the standard form. It looked like it. Then you can find the common and then you can just
yeah.
divide it.
So we can take 10 raised to power 6 as a common. We have already discussed this, right? We
Yeah.
should take 10 raised to power 6 as a common. So from the first one, you will get 10A and from the other, you will get B. So this is C according to your question. So this is a little good question. Very good. You have solved it. Okay. Okay, let us see this one also. This one quickly.
Divided by 4 minus 2.
Calculate 81 raised to power 0.25 divided by 4 raised to power minus 2.
Hmm. Okay. So, wait. Divided by 4 raised to minus 2. 81. Hmm. 81. So, three. So, oh God, wait.
Taking more time.
Oh, wait. Why is this so weird? 4 minus 2. Uh, what? How am I supposed to do this? Because you can, for 81, you can do like the to the fourth root, which is 3. And then you do
You
3
want to write
divided
3
by
raised to
4
power
minus
4.
2. Wait, wait, what?
Yeah, tell me your doubt. You
Yeah,
told
so
me
it's
that.
3 divided by 4 minus 2, but then how do I divide them? It's just not the same base.
Okay. No problem. Just see, you have to calculate where you can apply your law of exponent. Then only you have to apply. Otherwise, you simplify. See, this is 3 raised to power 4 and rose to power 1 by 4. This 0.25 is 1 by 4 divided by 4. So it is 2 raised to power 2 and power minus 2, right? So this
Yeah,
4 and 4 will cancel out. You will get 3 raised divided by 2 raised to power minus 4. Any doubt?
yeah,
So it should be
no,
3. Now, how we can handle this? So it is 3 into 1 over 2 raised to power minus 4. Are you getting this?
no, wouldn't it be 1 over 2 raised to the power of 4? Why minus 4?
Wait. Here, please see. You have to be smart here. There are two options now. There are two options now. After this step, you have two options. Either you can first convert your power into positive power. For that, you have to do the reciprocal of your base. Let me write from here. It is 3 divided by 2 raised to power minus 4. If you have problem with this negative power, so first convert it into the positive power. So it is 3 divided by, I will write 1 over
1 over
2 raised
2
to
raised to the
power
power
4. See, I have changed my sign of power, not I have executed this division now, right? So
2. Yeah,
basically, this is 3 divided by 1 over 2 raised to power 4. Because 1 raised to power 4 is 1, and this is 1 over 2 raised to power 4. What is 1 over 2 raised to power 4? We can
60.
write 1 over 16, right? So now if you execute this division, what we should do? It gets converted into the multiplication, and you have to multiply with the reciprocal of this. So it is 48. Are you getting this calculation?
Okay.
See, otherwise, see, we don't need to do this 2 raised to power 2. You can simplify, you can write the value of 4 raised to power minus 2 directly also. See, this is not these things necessary. See, it is 3 divided by 4 raised to power minus 2 means 1 upon 4 square, that is the 1 over 16. Directly. So it should be 3 into 16. It should be 48. Are you getting my point? Yeah, 48. That's correct. Any doubt?
Uh, no.
Why you stuck in this question? This was the simple one.
No, because like I could obviously do the normal division. I thought there was just like some.
No, it's not necessary you have to that you will apply the law of exponent each and every place. If it is possible, then apply. Otherwise, solve normally. Okay, please see this B bit.
Find P when 6P divided by 6, 5 is equal to square root 6. Hmm. Okay, I think I can solve this. So it was 6p divided by 6.5 is equal to the p is equal to 4.5, right?
Sure.
Wait. Oh, wait, 5.5.
Okay. Let me change something. These are the simple. Okay, please see this one. Simplify this first bit, then B bit. I think all these are easy. We will shift to the other topic. Please see if you want to solve, then solve. Otherwise, we will shift to the other
No, I
topic.
can solve this. Yeah, I can solve it.
Okay. Would you like to solve this?
No, I can solve mostly everything.
Okay. So let us select the other topic. Tell me the other topic. In the SS, we have covered.
Standard form and anything to do with solving equations.
Wait. Standard form. Let us see the standard form. Okay. Please see the first one. Work out giving your answer in standard form. You have to work out
I can
and
do this. I can do this. This is
okay.
the
The next
normal
one.
addition. Do.
Write this
Right?
as an ordinary number. You can do this, right?
Uh, wait.
Okay, please try. Please try.
Yeah,
No problem.
yeah, yeah, I can do it because you just multiply it by like
Yes.
mine 1
No, no, tell me
over.
the answer. How much quickly you can solve this without calculator? Tell me the ordinary number of this one.
Okay, fine. 0.00517.
Oh, correct. So you know the rule? Well, okay, please see this one. The first, sorry, this question. You have the P, you have the Q, find PQ in the standard form and Q upon P in the standard form.
P is equal to this, so I have to find multiply. Okay. Give me the answers. For PQ, it's 45 times 10 to the power 4.
45?
The,
What you are saying? 45.
uh, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm confident. Like I don't.
Tell me also 45 into 10 raised to power
4.
4. What's the process? What's the method? What you have
Again,
done?
like I found the common 10 to the power of 4, and then you put a bracket 4 times 10 plus 5. So
Wait.
45
See, what
times
we
10
have
to
to
the
do,
power.
we have to multiply P and Q, right?
Yeah.
So it is 4 into 10 raised to power 5 into 5 into 10 raised to power 4,
But you
right?
just do 20 to the power 9, that 9 one or
Okay,
something.
so 5 4 ja what? It's 20. 20 into 10 raised to power 9. And then now you have to convert it into the standard form, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Yeah,
How do you,
see,
isn't that already in standard form?
sorry?
Oh, that's not in standard form
This
because
is,
I can only
yeah,
have
this
digits
is
in my.
20. This is not even standard. So it should be 2 into 10. How you get this 45? That's my question.
Oh,
This is entirely
okay.
wrong. I thought that you can solve it. Similarly, please do for the B bit, that is the Q upon P in the standard form.
So the perfect. 5 over 4 times 10 to the power of what? 1?
Tell me the final answer. I will discuss
Wait.
after that.
To the power of, oh, you minus it. Oh, okay. So, yeah, 5 over 4 multiplied 10 to the power of minus 1.
Is it your final answer?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Do you know, in the standard form, we not write in this way, in fractional way. Do you know this?
No.
That's the format for. See, you have to write in your decimal form. Fractional form is not allowed in the standard form. Is it okay? So 5 over 4 is 1.25. So 1.25 into 10 to the minus. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, please try this one now. The price of a ticket
Ticket
for a
for a
football
football
match is this
match
much
is
dollars.
what you
You
calculate the
can take
amount.
use you can use your calculator, but it is the multiplication.
Okay, fine then. 124 times 76,500. 9, wait, 9,486,000.
Okay, write it in standard form, the B bit.
So 9.486. So you divide by 10. Uh, okay. 9.486 times 10 to the power of 6.
Correct, absolutely correct. Okay, do you know the significant figures?
The standard form correct to significant figures.
Yeah, have
Okay,
you
wait.
revised?
I have to write it in standard form to two significant figures.
First, write it in standard form. Then we have certain rules for significant figures. Have you revised that rules? Do you know the rules of significant figures?
Wait, just one
If you
second.
don't know, then we can ignore this if it is not in your syllabus right now.
10 10.
Write it in standard form first. That's important for our discussion. Write it in standard form.
Yeah, 6.58 times 10 to minus 3.
Yeah. Okay. Let me change the
Yeah,
paper.
so again, two significant figures. The answer sheet's right. Yeah.
Do you know
Yeah,
significant
you just
figures?
look at this. I know around significant figures
Yeah.
already.
Okay. We have one question which is long answer type. So let us solve this. There's only one question for paper 4. A film company used 512 actors. Sorry. A film company used 512 actors in a film. Wow. That's a very nice film. The actors are in the ratio man, woman, and children is to 7 is to 11 is to 14. Show that there are 224 children in the film. Okay. So basically, this question is mix-up question from ratio, proportion, percentage, and standard form. That's why this question gets included here. But we
Mm-hmm.
have to discuss all these topics, so we can take this one also. Okay, please find or show how we can say that in the film there are total 224 childrens.
Yeah, this is easy. You just like add up all the ratios,
Very
divide
good.
that number by 512, and multiply
Very
it
good.
by
Then
that
find
ratio.
the number of men in the film. So similarly, you can find the number of men in the film also, right?
Yeah.
Every working day, each child is given $1 to spend. Each child works for 45 days. Calculate the total amount that the film company gives children to spend. Give your answer to the correct nearest
So we
$100.
first find how many children. You said there are 224 children. So
Mm-hmm.
every day, each child spend is given $1. So 224 times 45.
Yeah, correct. And then you have to
10,
write into the nearest $100.
10,100.
Please find it.
Yeah, 10,100.
Okay, let me check. Correct. Very good. I think these are the same easy for you.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay. Uh, let's say this one. The diameter of the Earth is this much kilometer. Write this much in meters. Easy.
Yeah.
The distance from the Earth to Moon is this much kilometer. Work out the time it would take a car traveling at 100 kilometer per hour to
I
travel this
can
much
do this
kilometer.
as well. Yeah, I can do this as well.
I think we should do the mix-up questions. Set of questions in which we will revise our numbers concept and algebra concept. Would you like to discuss? Please see.
Okay.
Please read the statement.
Rosa joins a club to prepare to run a marathon. During the first training session, Rosa runs a distance of 3,000 meters. Each training session, she increases the distance she runs by 400 meters. Write down the distance Rosa runs in the third training session. So, again, 3,000 plus 3,400 plus 3,800. So, 10,200.
Mhm.
In the
Very good.
nth training session, it'll be obviously, what do you call it? 400 n plus 3,000.
Okay. Let me write. Let me check.
Yeah,
No.
kind of it.
No.
It still
Your
works.
answer is
Though.
wrong.
But it still
S-
works. 400 n plus 3,000. It's 400 you add for each day, and you add 3,000 at the start.
No.
It still works.
Wait. You are saying, let me check. Let me show you. You are saying it should be 3000 plus 400L, right? You're saying this one?
Yeah,
So see,
yeah.
during the first training session, Rosa runs at a distance of 3,000. So the first trial, for the first run, 3,000, and each training session increase the distance. So in the next one, she will run 3,400, right? So if I put n values equals to 0, yeah, this will work. 0, then you will get this one. Okay, no, why I will put n is equals to 0? I see, if I put n is equals to 1, it means the first session. If I put n is equals
So
to 1,
2600. So 2600 plus 400 and
so no, no, see, you don't have to try this hit and trial method.
uh,
I will not suggest you to go with this hit and trial method. First, you take this one, then this one. No, we have to write in a proper manner. We have to answer it. So, in the first trial, let me write. See, it has run 3,000, then 3, 4, this one, and like this one. And see, this is the AP. Do you know this is the AP progression? This is the arithmetic progression. Are you getting this? So, what is the
yeah,
general formula? What is the nth term formula? It is A plus n minus 1 into D. Do you know this or not?
yeah.
So why you have not applied this? Why you have just gone through with the hidden trial? So A is 3,000 plus n minus 1 and D is 400. So obviously you will get the correct answer 3,000 plus 400 n minus 400. See, this 400 will adjust it here and you will get 2,600 plus 400 n. So either you write this one or this one, both will be correct. Right? We have discussed this arithmetic progression in detail, if you have remembered. So this is the basically A level question. I accept that this is the A level question. You may see, I have selected this IB diploma. This is the AS and A level question. But we have discussed this kind of question. That's why we can discuss in our class also. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the first bit we have completed.
A
The second one.
marathon is 42,195 kilometers. In the Kth training session, Rosa will run further than a marathon for the first time. Find the value of K. So in the Kth training session, the value 195 kilometers. I mean, if I do it like using the arithmetic sequencing, it's gonna take so
Yes.
long.
No, 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 no. This is the only way. How you will solve without arithmetic sequence?
Yeah, but it takes so long that I have to convert the
No,
kilometers into
no,
meters,
no, 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 no.
and then I have to like,
Wait, let me explain. So, what the question I want to say you that a marathon is this much of kilometer. In the KF training session, Rosa will run further than a marathon for the first time. It means, see, its sequence is going 3,000 meters, then 3,400, and like this.
yeah, I know how to solve it. You just find, you convert that to meters, and then you say it's equal to the arithmetic thing, and then you just solve for n, which is k.
Yes, obviously. So you have to find in which term its value will be greater than 42.195 kilometer.
Okay.
So basically, why you may convert this into the meters, it should be 42,195 meters. So it wants to calculate in
Huh?
T.
How? Oh, it's 42.195. I thought it's
Yeah, it is 42.
42,195.
No, 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 it is 42 point 195 kilometers. So in meter, it should be 42,195 meter. We want to know T when Tn will be greater than 42,195, isn't it? So from here you can find your n. We have already calculated this n. It should be 2,600 plus 400 n should be equals to, for this inequality, you may take equals to first, 42195. Take your calculator and please find n from here. Are you getting this?
Yeah, n should be equal to 99. Or well,
90,
98.9875, but
98. So you will
computer
take the
usually
99. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, 99. So K value is 99. Already, so I think we can solve this. This is the AS and A level question, but still we are able to solve this. Right, Akansh?
yeah,
So in the next class, we will solve this kind of question from anywhere. We have to discuss the topic question. It doesn't matter it's A level or AS level. The only thing, it should be in our syllabus, and we have discussed this earlier also. Is it okay?
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye.